Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how do you get to know someone's IP on Discord. So let's start. So I have Discord here already running. So what you have to do is open up a web browser and search for Grabify. So here, select the first result and click on register. Now fill in the form and follow the prompt and click on register. Okay, now you are successfully registered, so you can verify your account. And once your account is verified, you can now log in and it will bring you to this page where you can create a URL. Now, let's say, for example, let's use Instagram for example. So I'm going to type here instagram.com and click on create URL. Now it is going to redirect me to this page in here where I can see the original URL and we have the new URL. Now this is the one that we need, so we can copy this one. And let's go back to Discord. And here I can paste this to my server. So if I am going to paste it here, now there is the link. So when someone clicks this link, say for example, I am going to click it, it is going to take me to Instagram and I need to sign in with my Instagram account. Now, once I sign in, so let's go back to Grabify. Now here, if you scroll down, we can see that we can actually see the IP in here. Alright, so whenever someone logs in using that link, you can definitely see and track their IP address. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.